Hi guys, welcome back to our channel Stuff About Tutorial, and in this tutorial we will discuss font style of logo. Guys, if you selected any of logo on wix.com and but you don't want to keep this font style on this logo, then how will you change? As you can see guys, if I go on this tags, so in the customization there is no any font style over here, so you just don't need to confuse about that. You have to right click on the font and the pop-up will appear on the screen and you will see some of options over here and you have to go with change font. So as you can see guys, there are so many font style and you can change your favorite one. So if I go with this style, I can change this one, I can change this one. So there are so many designs. So guys, this is how to change font style of logo on Wix. Hope you like this video. Thank you so much. Good luck.